Hi guys, Austen Thomson here. So I am going to show you a new product from Schwarzkopf called Thomson Colour Remover. Under here there's tons of bleach and then there's been a few darker colours put over it, so what we want to do is lift out some of this colour as gently as we can. So we are going to be pre-lightening with the colour remover from Schwarzkopf. Right, so we use Thomson Colour Remover Part A, which is like the powder. Thomson Colour Remover Part B. So 30 grams of that minus the little bits that I spilled around here. And then we double that, so we'll take it up to 120 with a 3%. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're staying away from the root because this is quite natural. We don't want to disturb that. And this area here is where there's a darker band, so we're going to work through this darker band first. We'll leave out these ends because these are quite light, and what we're hoping to do is remove some of that heavier dark band. Can you see that okay? Okay, so that's a really quick way to apply this colour remover. So the colour remover mixed with the cream makes it really quite quick to work with. So we're working through this middle section. The reason I start at the front first is because I feel that this is the most important part of the colour. If we start at the back and work up, then you can end up with a really beautiful colour at the back, but sometimes the front's not long enough. So I would rather focus on the bit that frames the face and get the detail in there, start forward and then finish at the back. And also in the back there's lots of this really pre-lightened colour, so I don't want to be disturbing that too much. Right, so now we can see that this is starting to lift out some of that artificial colour pigment. What we're doing now is stretching it through to the ends, where the ends have the old blonde in it, so I just want a little bit less lift on these. And because this product has the cream developer mixed in it, and it's also got the fibre bonded technology in it, then it just helps to keep the hair in the best possible conditioning when we're preparing for a secondary colour. Okay, this is a little trick for just lightening up some of these hairline pieces. This is the Blonde Me Premium Lift with 6%. Now we're going to use the number 2 bond sealer, and this is going to bring the hair back down, help to restore any of the bonds that have been broken. So that is the result that you get with the colour remover. So it's lifting it with a 3% oil based, and it's got the fibre bonded technology in it, so a really great way for quick way of removing colour in the healthiest possible way. And if you want to see what I do next, get subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.